In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sell digital products on Wix, step-by-step 2026 guide. Shoasu. We'll start right inside your Wix account and move from setup to first sale. By the end, you'll have a clean storefront, a properly listed digital file, payments connected, and a clear understanding of how delivery works for your customers. First, add an online store to your site. In the site editor, open the left-hand menu and click Add Elements. Then scroll down to Store and choose Add to Site. Wix will install the Wix Stores app, which supports both physical and digital products. This gives you the product manager, checkout flow, and the pages you need to start selling right away. Next, organize your storefront. Wix usually creates a shop page with placeholder items, and it may add that page to your menu automatically. Check your header navigation to make sure shop is clearly visible so visitors can find it from any page on your site. If the layout feels busy, simplify it now so your digital product will stand out later. Before adding your own product, clear out the demo items. Go to Manage Products, select the placeholder products, click More Actions, and choose Delete. This keeps your database clean and prevents any confusion when you publish. Now add your digital product, click New Product, and choose Digital File. Upload your file by selecting Upload Media. A zip file is recommended because it bundles multiple assets like PDFs, videos, and worksheets into one neat download for your customers. Enter a compelling product name, optionally add a ribbon like New Arrival or Updated Course, and write a persuasive description that explains the value and who it's for. Add strong visuals, images, or short videos from your own library or Wix's media library. Set your price in your local currency, and if you want to highlight a promotion, apply a discount so a sale price is displayed. Make sure Show an Online Store is checked, then click Save. Set up payment methods so you can actually get paid. In your dashboard, go to Settings and select Accept Payments. Connect your preferred options. PayPal can often be connected quickly, though it includes transaction fees. To accept cards directly with Wix Payments or partners, you'll need a premium plan that supports online payments. Publish your site to go live. Visit the live store and walk through the customer journey. View the product, add it to the cart, and proceed to checkout. This is the best way to confirm your instructions are clear and that payment prompts appear correctly. Here's how delivery works. Once your payment methods are fully configured, Wix processes the transaction. As soon as payment is confirmed, Wix automatically emails a secure download link for your zip file to the customer. No manual sending required. That's it. You've set up a clean, conversion-ready system to sell digital products on Wix. Thanks for watching.